Very stigmatized man, stop. Very stigmatized man, please stop. Please. Very stigmatized man, I'm begging you, please stop. Please stop. Yeah. Please stop. Very stigmatized man, please stop. You know, this doesn't make sense anymore. It doesn't make sense anymore. Don't input yourself in this matter. Simple. Don't input yourself in this matter. Let it go. Do your other things that you are doing. Let this matter go. Very stigmatized man. Asiwaju Ahmed Bola Tinubu, the president of Nigeria today, I met him as a revolutionary. Yes. Fighting military. Today is the same person doing the same thing that the military men that he was fighting were doing to the people. Today is the same person that is doing what he was fighting against. Just like very stigmatized man. That's the disappointment. Because it happens too often. Too often. So very stigmatized man too has become what we all claim that we are fighting against. You understand? That is what is happening here. Oha. Case closed, no need to drag matter, and we will not allow that to now be used against real revolutionaries. Let's start. What is the meaning of integrity? That's where we'll start from. Because now they throw the word around. Why see? When I come back, why see? You tap into my ancestral powers. Why see? So when I come back, I have to buy you 2 bottles of XO. Why see? Where did you get Oludo uprising? Where you from get this? That is in my bag. This is my own kind of shit where I did bring out from my ancestral bag. Why see? Where you see Olodo uprising? Where you see Olodo uprising? Where you see Olodo uprising? Listen. So let's go and look at the meaning of integrity. You know, and let's see people that have it. Because you can use words and not know the meaning. All of them don't know the meaning of the word when they use. So according to the dictionary, integrity is the quality of being honest. Listen, of being honest and adhering to strong moral and ethical principles. To be honest and to stand on strong moral or ethical principles, even when no one is watching. Even when no one is watching. My brothers and sisters, in my whole life that I have lived, I'm 43 years old today. You cannot bring out where I'm going to do something. Where I'll come outside, they talk nonsense the next day. Integrity has already been removed from anything you want to do because you have no ethical principles. There's nothing you cannot do. You wine and dine with oppressors every day. You dine with oppressors every day. And all we have ever told you is, bro, politicize yourself. What you are doing can be noble, but without politicizing it, it will not make Nigerians. Put them together, they share money for them, and that is integrity. Where did the money come from? This money, where did it come from? Who are the people giving you this money? Trying to use charity to launder the image of oppressors. Is that where we are going to sit down? Is that the dance that we are going to be dancing with you? Is that that's what we want to dance with that? To be laundering the image of oppressors. That's all that you are doing. One Egbon don't give me money. Who are these Egbon? Let them come outside. Who are they? People who don't spill blood of Nigerians all over the place, kidnap Nigerians, kill Nigerians, but because they give you money, they are not suddenly good people. They are not suddenly good people. Anybody that can do something, anything to survive. You have proved to us in your past that you are someone that can do anything to survive. And you have done it. I don't do all sorts to survive. Now we believe that there is redemption. It's okay. Why? Everybody deserves a second chance in life. There's redemption, but you are becoming the people that traumatize you. Because I know how a man, if a man has played with prick before, anytime you close your eye, you must see the prick like this. So it has stigmatized you. You are stigmatized by the people that traumatize you. When use you when you are weak, you are still carrying the trauma of that, of all the prick when they send to your face. You know. Oh my God. So you are still stigmatized by that. To now become what we are all fighting against. Yes, that's it. Now come outside. She don't know the protest. Because protest is nonsense. All of now they protest is just nothing but pressure valve. To release. Pressure valve. Then the bastard idiots, they still come, they make up lies. Shehu is a tribal bigot. Where is the evidence? There's no evidence. There's no evidence. Your tribal bigotry is because Shehu no support Obi. Is this all the things you are doing? Is it a way to drag support for Peter Obi? Because I don't understand. What is the tribal bigotry? Because I don't support Obi. My enmity of one Igbo man. My enmity with one Igbo man. My lack of support for one Igbo man means Seun Kuti does not support all Igbo people. My main security that protects my life when I go out, the man I give my life in his hand is an Igbo man. If you see me at any show, he's standing by my side. He's Igbo. Fully Igbo. I'm surrounded with Igbo people. I'm surrounded by Nigerians. I'm surrounded by Africans. I don't see tribe. Now, be tribe. Me, I don't see tribe. Now, be tribe. I'm a Pan-Africanist. Show me one place where Seun Kuti come outside now and say, Igbo people are this, Igbo people are that. I'm a proud Yoruba man. Very proud. I will stand on the side of my Yoruba ethnicity any day, anywhere, against anything, against any attack. Being a proud Yoruba man doesn't make me a bigot to Igbos or to Hausas. Yes. Me, as I did like this, I don't carry house, give Igbo man a whole house. Say, go and be staying with your family. Yes. Because lo and behold, you idiots don't know that one of my best friend is Igbo. One of my best friends, let me not say is the only best friend. Before my other friends, the best. I will carry house, give her. What is that? Does that mean I'm a tribal bigot? It be your day.
I don't hear wetin Shehu talk here. Don't know why the two of them carry Igbo put inside their saga. Now Shehu is talking about P2B. What have P2B have to do with wetin you and Verydarkman they do? Is Verydarkman supporting P2B? Have you heard the Verydarkman where he talk say P2B na him candidate? So wetin carry Peter now put inside this una dragon. Let me repeat it again in one Igbo. It's high time, sometime ndị mmadụ na-ekwu okwu na-adrag ndị Igbo na ya just kwụrụ n'akụ na-ennefa. Ịghọtago? Because this are two individual. They understand what I'm saying. That you and I are hearing all these things from them now is because two of them are having issue. If two of them are not having any issue, you and I go to hear their private discussion outside. You get the point. But I don't understand why waiting people they do inside on a conversation. You can support anybody where you want to support. So normally, in this present administration, we know they talk anything. Do you understand what I'm saying? They do even say as if you say anything no concern you. In this your video, they talk say protest and I use nonsense I've been useless. Means that even protest wey show they do all this why you know even the guide them, you know even they see them as if you say they do anything. Do you understand what I'm saying? So I really don't understand what is going on between you and the VDM. So but me una they do una thing and leave Igbo people out of this, leave people be out of this. Me una they drag on herself now two of una sabi. Now they talk about Verydarkman past life. You know all these things, you still yet you carry Verydarkman go your papa grave. Una buy lamb there, spread the blood, drink together, share kolanut. You know all these things you still yet you carry Verydarkman go your papa sanctuary. Today night they come on social media they yarn nonsense.